Okay, we got a pipe leak right here. You can see where it's leaking from. Tough location. We'll see what we can do about fixing this. Alright, so this got really stressful because I'm just super tired because I've been working every night after work. But I took care of it. I ran the bypass up here and down and over and tied in over here. So I had to get it out of being inside this rat's nest. Like, look at these pipes, man. This pipe and this pipe, they do nothing. They're just like plumbed over here and dead-ended for like some future something. But they're just, everything's in my way. So I cut out that section that was snaking its way back in here, and then I just shot a piece across and brought it down. It's under full pressure right now. So I got to return the power here to the pump. I think the pump is part of what's going on with this, because it's just constantly on. There we go. It's constantly on, and it's just forever pulling water, like who knows what pressure through this pipe. So I did my best with this. I tried to ream the pipes. I just I couldn't get a device anywhere in here without hitting a pipe. I mean, if you saw this place, you'd probably quit plumbing. You probably would just quit. I mean, I don't understand who the fuck came up with this. I really don't. Like, keep it simple, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I think the pumps are on the wrong side. I don't know. You guys tell me. These pumps are drawing the cold water in. I always thought these pumps were like, I've always seen them pump the hot water out, not draw the cold water in, so I could be wrong. I mean, they're working. You can't even turn these pumps off, they're all hardwired. It's just a mess. This whole place, I hate coming here. I'm not even making any money because he's like, oh, you repaired that one section last time. Oh, where's this water coming from? We got a new leak from someplace else? Oh yeah, huh? There's like a new leak. I'm sure I'll get blamed for it though. Just moving the pipes probably caused this one to leak. But no, this is like a whole nother unit. Oh no, this is the so this is the hot, right? This is the hot coming out now. So now we got the hot coming out is dripping, but the cold coming in is good. Look at it, like tees off. Who knows what it's doing? You know, like dead ends over there and tees off. All this pipe is leaking. It's just crazy. It's crazy in here, and I can't stand working in here. It's a lot less of a leak than it was. So when he comes in here to investigate, he can blame me for that. Because I'm not gonna hit him up for any money, because he's like, oh, your fix last time's leaking now, and that was like, I don't know, 6 months ago or something. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel. I just feel like if this wasn't, there wasn't like some like commercial grade pump moving through here, these things would stand a snowball's chance in hell of not leaking. But my work isn't leaking. So, we'll see you on the next one.